is where I used to live, in the heart of the city. Now, 1924, around 70 acres of the lake here was filled in and Mambalam was created. The profile of the residents here? Middle classes. And the area is called Lakeview Road. Now the lake is gone, and during monsoons, water level rises up to the waist on the roads, gushing inside homes too. And we have to pay for water throughout the year. During summers, the bills soar. Unable to manage the expenses, we decided to move out. Is Chennai approaching an impending man-made disaster? Is there a solution? Can Chennai be saved? We are trying to get some answers in our two-part series, Flooded but Parched in Chennai. But to tell these stories well, we need a bit of help from you. We need 3,89,000 rupees for research, travel, shooting and post-production of these stories. If you think it's an important story about Namma Chennai, please do support us. Nandri, Vanakkam.